Look out of the window on your next flight. Every window is round. Not one of them is square. Not on this plane, and not on any plane in the world. That is not a style choice. 70 years ago, planes did have square windows, and those planes started falling out of the sky. So what did engineers learn from that? Let us find out. Welcome to Ninja English. Today, we find the answer. And while we do, you will learn 5 useful English words. Listen carefully. You will hear each word many times. Let's begin. Our first phrase is under pressure. When something is under pressure, a strong force is pushing on it. High in the sky, the air outside is very thin. So the cabin is filled with thicker air, and the whole body of the plane goes under pressure. Think of a balloon. The air inside pushes out on every side. A plane under pressure is the same. It pushes out on the walls, on the doors, and on every single window. We use this phrase for people too. A student before a big exam is under pressure. But a plane under pressure always has one place that suffers more than the rest. Where is it? Our second phrase is a weak point. A weak point is the part that breaks first before anything else. In a smooth metal wall, pressure spreads out evenly. But when that force meets a sharp corner, it stops and it piles up in one tiny spot. So a square corner becomes a weak point. All the force in the wall gathers there and waits. Every machine has a weak point. A chain has a weak point. A bridge has a weak point. A good engineer looks for it first. In 1954, nobody had found this weak point yet, and the sky was about to teach a very hard lesson. Our third phrase is give way. To give way means to break or fall down under force. In 1954, a beautiful new jet called the Comet flew higher and faster than anything before it, and it had large, square windows. On every flight, the cabin filled with pressure. On every landing, it emptied again. Push, release. Push, release. Thousands of times. Then, high above the sea, the metal at one square corner gave way. In seconds, the whole body of the plane gave way with it. When metal gives way, there is no warning. It looks perfect, right until the moment it breaks. So how did engineers make certain it would never give way again? Our fourth phrase is by design. When something happens by design, it happens on purpose and not by accident. Engineers put a whole comet inside a huge tank of water. They pushed the pressure up and released it again and again until they saw the first cracks appear, exactly at the square corners. So they removed the corners. Every airplane window since that day is round or oval by design. A curve has no sharp corner, so the force flows around it smoothly, and it never piles up in one spot. Nothing about that shape is decoration. It is there by design, to keep you safe. Many things around you are shaped by design too. The soft edge of a table, the grip on your phone. But the engineers did not stop at one safe shape. Our final phrase is play it safe. To play it safe means to choose the safest option, even when it costs more or takes longer. Modern planes play it safe everywhere. Each window has 3 layers, when one strong layer would already be enough. Engineers bend a wing until it snaps, just to learn where the limit is. They play it safe by knowing exactly how much the machine can take. We do this in daily life too. If the sky looks grey, I take my umbrella. I play it safe. So the next time you sit beside that small round window, remember, someone chose to play it safe, and that is why the corners are gone. Now repeat after me, slowly. The cabin is under pressure, and a sharp corner is a weak point. In 1954, the metal gave way. Windows are round by design, because engineers always play it safe. 5 new phrases, and now they are yours. Quick test. What is one thing in your home that is round by design? Write your answer in the comments. Subscribe to Ninja English. Every day, we learn English from real stories. See you next time.